how long the rain will stick around. And thunderstorms continue to make a big splash in the parts of the south, especially in Houston. Learn why the drought areas might get gypped again as the wet weather heads east. And the northern end of the same weather system is producing ice and snow, and that led to scores of fender benders across Wisconsin and Minnesota. See what kind of wintry weather is going to come on through the day. Welcome to your weather today. I'm Nicole Mitchell.
And I'm Bill Keneally, and strap yourself in, folks, from east to west and all in between. We're in for some wild and woolly weather over the next several days. So let's take a look here, Nicole, at the big picture. And
to the 50s. Here's what we're going to see, though, over the next couple of days. We're going to talk more through the morning about this system in the Midwest, but as all of this progresses eastward, of course, that is going to change the forecast for us here in the Northeast. So putting this into motion, this starts off at 11 a.m. through the day. Already by later into today, 4 o'clock, we have some chances for rain in Pittsburgh or Charleston. And as we continue off, we are going to see a lot of places along coastal areas with the sunshine, but eventually that rain creeps in, and then by the time we get into Thursday and Friday especially, a lot of the region covered in the rain. So later today into this evening, Erie starts to pick up some of that rain, goes through about the midsection of Philadelphia, or of Pennsylvania, and then more of that, as I said, into the day tomorrow and for your big travel day on Friday. How some of those forecasts shape up then with the rain continuing to move in. There's what I was talking about for the day on Thursday, that we start to see a little bit more of that. So already that morning commute could start to get somewhat challenging as you start off the door. So here are some of those current conditions as we head around the New York City area that we were just taking a look at, and that includes if you were headed out to Manhattan, 40 degrees to greet you for today. But for the next couple of days, temperatures are mostly in the 40s into this afternoon. Boston, that is 46. New York, we mentioned that 50 degrees. And we get up to 54 in Philadelphia. Tomorrow, more of that rain continues to move into the forecast, and the conditions head their way downhill. There could be even a little bit of ice as we get into some of those interior parts of New York. So that's one concern out here. Of course, one area is already starting to deal with some of the rain in the south. Things have gotten even a little rough.
yeah, a lot of heavy rain out there, Nicole, bearing down.